Tapos baka di natin upload ang lakas ng sound. Kaya ano yan, neteng. Oo, pahinaan ko nung sound.
Number 77. Agawan, nakuha ni number 23. Number 23, basket. Number 77, for 3. To number 9, pass sa ilalim. Stolen by number 21, number 77. Ayan na, naka-full court press na ang 4 ballers. Foul counted. 21 a white foul. First team foul, I'm sorry. Basket. Number 10 fakes, number 10 attacks, pull up. Basket, ay, nilawa pa. Number 2, yes sir. Nakabutas na ulit ang Chef E. Compute na, 57, nabitin. Ano si number 10 behind the back. Number 10, nabitawan ng bagya ang bola. Number 10, pull-ups, no good. Number 9 to number 87. Number 87. 57 to number 23. No good. No good.
Yung 23, sige na. Diba?
Number 21 fakes. 21 pinasa kay number 10. Number 10 pinasa ilang. Oy, miscommunication. Same ball with 11 to shoot. 11 seconds shot clock. For 3. Oh, niluwa pa. Pinasa number 10. Number 10. Open na naman sa number 21. Number 21. Yes, sir. Third 3 of the day. Number 29. Ito na number 77. Sinusubukan ng muli number 87. Number 77. Oh! Number 9. Binigay kay number 57 floater. Basket. Lazy pass turns to timeout. Chef E. Time remaining 7 minutes 2 seconds. Official score 35. Excuse me, rep. Hindi ko makita. 35-23. 4 ballers.
36.
36, sorry.
23-36.
Takin po yung mga hindi nakatakin.
Pag nawa niyo po kayo. Takin mo, sabihan mo ulit.
Takin ulit.
Number 10 pa, ayos mo ng tuck in ah. Number 10. Susubok ng 3. Basket agad kay number 8. Fresh legs by number 8. Number 10. Pinasa kay number 8. Number 8. Basket again by number 8. Fresh legs. Fakes. Nadulas. Foul. Number 2.
Nice coach.
Okay po, naka-warning na po si number 10.
Nice rep.
Uy, Kuya Ronald, congrats ka na ba? Ngiting-ngiti. Number 2, yes sir! Okay po. 21 to number 2, number 2! Rebound by number 9, number 9 binabatay ng number 8. Binigay lang, agawan! Number 10, nanood si number 10, number 10, na-atake number 10! Wala pa rin! Time out! $4. Time remaining 5 minutes and 19 seconds. Official score 36-32. $4.
Bibidyoan ko lang si Ronald, may special guest pala.
Uy, good afternoon sa ating coach ng Synergy White. Mr. Another Car, Another Day. Hanggat di nasisiro, lahat busog. Number 20. Subukan na matake. Number 20. Basket. Love to shoot. 8 to shoot. Same ball, 16 to shoot. To shoot. Number 20. Pull up. Number 26. Foul. Who's foul? Number 5. No good. Basket by number 26. So number 8. Number 8. Binigay kay number 2. Number 2. Akan po number 77. Naiipit, number 2, open 3, Japan! Number 3. Number 20. Basket by number 26. Number 77, back to number 8. Number 8, nagharap na papasahan. Number 8, binigay kay number 2. Number 2, sa ilalim. Number 23, reverse basket by number 23. Number 1 to number 3. Number 3. Number 1 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 77. Number 77 with 3 on 3 fast break. And number 5. Number 5 fades away. No good. Rebound number 77 with 10. Nako pa rin number 5. Number 8 fakes. Number 5 susubok ng 3. No good. Tapi ka nakuha ng blue shirt. Fast break to number 20. Number 20 naman 10. Number 5 na ni number 5. Naaga ulit. Binigay ulit kay number 2. Number 2 atake mo binigay kay number 77. Number 77 to number 2. Number 2 attacks. No good. Agawan left. Number 20 behind the back. Number 20 attack with the left hand. Pinasang number 26. No good. Number 26 again. Basket by number 26 of 4 ballers. Number 8 to number 77. Foul, number 20, substitution. AC, patras onti ng mga players. 6 to shoot. 4. Oh. Blue ball. Time remaining 2:27. Official score 43-37. Iba laban yan, di kita, di katulad kahapon.
Second to third round.
12 to shoot. 3. No good. Rebound by number 24. Number 24. Binigay kay number 8. Number 8. Nagmamadali. Nagkaanap ng papasahan. Binigay kay number 77. 77. Cross-court pass. Open 24. Top of the key. No good. Rebound na number 3 ng 4 ballers. Dinahabol ng number 17 na tapikan. Number 1. Nakalusot. Pero wala. Goaltending. Goaltending. Yes po, goaltending in ang pasumbong po.
This is goaltending yun eh. Goal interference po.
Uy, gandang fight sana pero natapik. Nagkakabagan sa yan. Kinuha ni number 2. Ay! Mas malakas pa yung sigaw sa bomba. Number 20! Basket by number 20.
Steve Nash Rosella.
Number 77. Umatake. Nagtapik. Who's foul? Number 3. Ilang
Team force po sa kailang foul.
second team foul.
First person na lang yun? Ako, first person na lang.
First personal, second team foul. Basket substitution. Another fresh legs from Chef E. Number 20 fakes. Number 20 binigay sa Kakampi number 3. Number 3, binigay sa perimeter. No good. Rebound by number 24. Natapikan. Number 26, Bobomba. Number 26, Antigas. Number 24. Foul number 17. 13 foul. Second personal foul, third team foul. No good. Basket by number. Dito ka. Besties for life. Oy! Gandang fight naman na nabitawan ng substitution. Number 20 to number 1. Number 20, fakes. Pulls up. Oy, natapik. Number 17 na agaw. Ito na si number 5. Nagmamadali si number 5. 3-on-3 fast break. Pinigay kay number 18. Number 18 fakes. Number 5. No good. Sino makakatapik ng 1 ng 4 ballers? Pinigay kay number 1. Pero nago ni number 5 ng Sheffy. Number 5 nag-aabang. Number 7 to 7. Number 5 again. No good. Nakakatumbahan na. Kanino po bola? Same ball. 15 to shoot. Fast break ba? Ito na si number 14. Pinigay sa ilalim. Ang lalaki din ng Chef E. Hindi basta-basta. 1. And the first half. Official score 50-38. 4 ballers.